Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to add custom font in Inkybay for Designer window. So let's get started. First, log into your Inkybay app admin, then go to the designs and click on manage fonts. Now we can directly add font by clicking on the new font, and you can create category for your font and then insert the font into the category. Let me show you how to manage the categories. Click on manage categories. Now you'll find some available categories. If you want to add new category, click on new category. Let me give a name for this category. Let's say web fonts. Now if you have similar fonts with different characteristics like bold, semi-bold, italic, you can create subcategories for it. You can click on add subcategory inside the mother category. Now if you want to delete any category, simply click on the red trash icon to delete the category. Let's save our newly created category, web fonts. Now we are going to add our font in the new category we have just created. So click on the new font. Now before uploading your font in the Inkybay, make sure your font is in the WOFF format. And if you don't have your font in the WOFF format, do not get scared. Just click on the web font generator link we have included in the Inkybay font manager. So click here. It will be redirected to the Font Squirrel website. Now simply upload your font. This is our font, regular. We'll just upload it. And now we are going to download the font in WOFF format. Font is now downloaded. Now let's go back to the Inkybay. Now we are going to change the name of the font. Let's say regular. We are going to upload our font. Here is our WOFF formatted font. Double click here. Our font is now uploaded in the Inkybay. Now we'll choose the categories. So click on the categories. Here is our newly created category, web fonts. Check this and click on save. Now by default our font will be in the popular section, and if you don't want our font to be in the popular section, just uncheck it. As right now I want my font to be in the popular section, so I'll just keep it. Now name and number. If you want this font to be used as name and number, make sure the font allows numbering. Now check the box if you want this font to be usable for name and number as well. Click on save. Now let's see if it works in the designer window. Now let's see the effect. Let me change the font. There it is. This is how you upload your custom font in Inkybay for Designer window. Thank you for today. See you in the next video.